powerful enough to get drywall dust, little wood shavings from us drilling. Filter life is great. Having it be efficient enough that I don't have to stop in the middle of where I'm cleaning and I can just get it cleaned up.
Having the runtime last longer is important to not have to worry about so many batteries to go through.
I was actually pretty surprised at how long the battery did last. We get more time to get the job done.
It's nice that it turns on and off from your shoulder, so I don't have to take it on and off.
I can hang it on the lift, or just carrying around the handle is nice because you have something solid to grab onto. And with the straps, they were very comfortable. I can get a lot of tight areas, sped up the process of cleanup.
I would definitely recommend the M18 Fuel backpack vacuum. It's the best there is.